Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, October 4th, 2010. Today we had a total of 4 executable trade signals for a max potential of 16 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed at our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right at 11:39.25, and we did have a high probability gap trade, and the market went up and filled our half gap right away. Found a little bit of resistance right underneath the 4 o'clock close from Friday. Pulled back from that a little bit, eventually traded right through the 4 o'clock. Again, found a little bit of resistance in front of the 4:15. Pulled back, ultimately closed the 4 o'clock and 4:15 gap and went up and tested the Globex highs. You can see there was another bit of resistance at the Globex highs, and we came back down through our moving average, back through all of our closing prices, back towards our open, found a little bit of support, bounced off the open into a signal short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 13 ticks, and that move was a news announcement. And you can see when the news came out, there was the reaction up and then the reaction down. And then after that, they found support, and it was the 10 o'clock reversal time, came back up above our open, kind of traded sideways a little bit, ultimately popped its head through the moving average, came down for a signal long. That did produce target 1 to the upside, and we almost got the target 2 off, but we ended up not getting filled on the T2, ended up coming back through the moving average, getting stopped out, so it ended up being a T1 minus 2. The second contract did not get the follow through we were looking for, and then there was this fast move down, and I'm not going to show it as an extension. This is one where we were looking, because it was kind of out here in space, actually touched 39.50. That was the level we were trying to get filled at, but we're going to count it as a no fill. This is a trade that it came back, it touched, went straight through our T2 target, but there was not really anyone that was able to get on at that 39.50 level, and we're not going to show it as an extension in this case. So we're going to just count that as a no fill, and the market continued to push lower, ended up making new lows, went underneath Friday's low, went underneath the Globex low, put in a new low of the day, ultimately found support down at 11:27 coming out of the lunchtime dead zone. That's the red area on this chart. We do not take any trades during lunchtime. We just kind of sit back and wait for that to get over. We wait till 1:15. After 1:15 we start looking for opportunities again. We did get a signal to get short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks right into the 2:30 reversal time frame. Found support, bounced, came back up through our moving average, gave us a signal to get long. We got our first contract off, unfortunately came down, ended up getting stopped out of the second position before they ultimately went on to hit what would have been a T2, but we're going to have to count it as a T1 minus 2 because we adjust our stops and keep things very close after that first contract is hit. So all in all, pretty good day. 4 trades, 16 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.